Imagine a cow standing in a peaceful green pasture, chewing slowly, rhythmically, and seemingly lost in thought. This simple yet fascinating action, cud chewing, is the secret behind a cow's ability to transform tough, fibrous grass into energy-rich milk and meat. But cud chewing is more than just a quirky habit. It's a biological marvel that supports digestion, animal health, and even has implications for sustainability. Cows belong to a special group of animals called ruminants, which possess a unique four-compartment stomach. This evolutionary advantage allows them to extract nutrients from plant material that most other animals cannot digest. But how exactly does this process work? Why is cud chewing crucial for a cow's well-being? And what role does it play in the bigger picture of sustainable dairy farming? Let's dive into the science behind this slow-motion miracle. Unlike humans, cows don't spend much time chewing when they first eat. Instead, they gulp down large quantities of grass, silage, or hay, swallowing it almost whole. This rapid feeding allows them to take in as much food as possible before finding a quiet place to digest it properly. Once swallowed, the food enters the rumen, the largest stomach compartment, which acts as a fermentation vat. Here, billions of beneficial microbes, bacteria, protozoa, and fungi begin breaking down the fibrous material. This microbial activity produces volatile fatty acids, which serve as the cow's primary energy source. After some initial digestion, the cow regurgitates a portion of the partially broken down food. This is called cud. It then chews this cud thoroughly, grinding it into finer particles. This step is crucial because it increases the surface area of the food, making it easier for microbes to break down further. Cud chewing stimulates saliva production. Cow saliva contains natural buffers that help maintain the rumen's pH balance, preventing acidosis, a condition that can disrupt digestion and overall health. This buffering effect is why cows that don't chew their cud properly often experience digestive problems. Once the cud is properly chewed, it moves into the reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, the other three stomach compartments where further digestion and nutrient absorption take place. Finally, the digested food passes into the intestines, where essential nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. A healthy cow typically spends 7 to 9 hours a day chewing cud. If a cow stops chewing its cud, it's often a sign of illness or digestive trouble. Proper cud chewing ensures efficient nutrient absorption, which directly influences milk yield and quality. The rumen functions best when its microbial population is balanced, and cud chewing helps maintain this delicate ecosystem. The rumination process produces methane, a greenhouse gas. Researchers are now exploring feed additives such as seaweed supplements to reduce methane emissions while keeping cows healthy. Cows have been perfecting the art of cud chewing for millions of years, long before humans even discovered agriculture. Their ability to turn coarse, indigestible plant matter into energy is one of nature's greatest efficiencies. Yet, as we push toward climate-smart agriculture, understanding and optimizing this process becomes more critical than ever. Dairy farmers and researchers worldwide, including those featured in Dairy Global, are now exploring ways to enhance cud chewing efficiency through better forage quality, innovative feed formulations, and microbiome management. By doing so, we can ensure healthier cows, improved milk production, and a more sustainable dairy industry. So, the next time you see a cow lost in its slow, methodical chewing, remember, there's a whole world of science, sustainability, and history behind that simple act. Munch, munch, and let the marvels of rumination continue.